Did this investigation come to a conclusion?
Yes.
And what was the conclusion of the investigation?
My understanding is the conclusion is that this, on the whole, were rumors from the students.
So was it unsubstantiated?
It was not substantiated sexual conduct.
Do you know how the district came to the conclusion that this was based on rumors?
I'm going to object. That is not within the scope of this notice.
Okay, so the conclusion of the sexual misconduct investigation was it was based on rumors and not substantiated for sexual misconduct.
Not based on rumors, that the information they collected were rumors, is how I understand it was decided.
You would agree with me that Exhibit 22 contains allegations of sexual misconduct that are not rumors. Fair?
Again, I'm going to object. This is a personal impression that you're asking. You can ask about knowledge of
okay.
allegations of sexual misconduct. So far, she's answered questions that these are allegations of potential sexual misconduct.
Right.
It is not. We're not here today, based on your notice, to have Stephanie Harper propose or to testify to her opinion about whether or not the conclusion fit the allegations of the matter.
The district's conclusion is that they were based on rumors.
Well, that there were rumors and they couldn't substantiate that there was sexual misconduct.
And how could it not be substantiated?
I'm going to object to the form of that question.
What was there conflicting information that the district was provided in its steps to investigate the allegations?
Again, I'm going to object to that question. It's outside the scope of this notice.
As far as the steps, okay, I think we should just get the judge on the phone to talk about this.
You're asking about her, what I understand your question to be is you asking about her personal opinion about the steps, or about the conflicting information that may have led to the conclusion, which would not be her investigation. The investigation was conducted by LaShawn Lee, and that's not notice of this. That's not the purpose of this notice.
Okay, and just to make sure it's clear, I'm not asking you, Ms. Harper, anything about your personal knowledge. My questions are about the district's knowledge of the steps the district took to conduct investigations of alleged sexual misconduct. And I understand the district came to the conclusion that it was unsubstantiated as to sexual misconduct and based on rumor. And so I'm asking the district, you would agree with me, district, that Exhibit 22 contains firsthand personal knowledge by students of potential sexual misconduct.
Exhibit 22 is not the entire investigation, correct?
I don't know.
It's your exhibit, correct? I'm looking at it.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know if I've been provided all the documents responsive that are which is why I'm asking you other information about the next steps.
Well, clearly, I mean, there was an interview with Mr. Whitehurst.
Yeah.
What this is the feelings and perceptions that the female students had and events that they said that they experienced. And then, so that's what this reflects.
Does the district know if Mr. Whitehurst denied the allegations?
Again, you're asking factual information about about the underlying interviews of the investigation, not the steps that the district took to investigate them.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so the district's position is, to go back to the conclusion of the investigation.
I guess just when you say position, the district's position in your question, I don't think I can agree with. Okay, so
what was the district's conclusion, though, was that the complaints brought by the students referenced in Exhibit 22 were unsubstantiated as to sexual misconduct by Mr. Whitehurst.
They could not, correct, they could not substantiate that there was sexual misconduct.
And did the district take any other steps to investigate the allegations of sexual misconduct brought by the students that's generally reflected in Exhibit 22?
Yes, I'm sorry, can you ask that again?
Sure. Did the district take any other steps to investigate any allegations of sexual misconduct that relate to Exhibit 22?
These are the steps I already said, correct? Talking to the students' parents, talking to Mr. Whitehurst, technically talking to the other staff through whom these assertions came up. And then contacting human resources about it.
And that's it?
That's what I know of.